Welcome to Rani's Art and Craft. Today I'm going to show you that how can you paint like a shoutout of something you have seen that thumbnail. You can see this is a painting video. Okay, so first I took dark green color and you means deep green, and I am applying that color now. So guys, please use thick paintbrush. If you have more thick paintbrush, you can use that also because it will save your time. If you use thin paintbrush, it will take a lot of time. So guys, for all the colors, I will just use thin layer first, and then I will add dark layer of color. Okay, and yes guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel if you haven't, and also press the bell icon, and also comment what more challenges, suggestions, or what you want. Okay, whatever you can comment me in the comment section below. And yes guys, after 1000 subscribers, I will be doing my first video by October 2021. I won 1000, but it is September now, but I haven't got 900 also. Then how will I get 1000 by October 2021? If I don't get 1000 in October, then it will be a problem because I won't be able to make a face video. Okay, so now you can see I have added the dark layer. And yes guys, now I will use yellow color, that's lemon yellow. Okay, you will just see it after some time. And guys, after 1 lakh subscribers, I will be doing my Q&A part with face reveal. If you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. It is without face reveal, it is nice. And after 1 million subscribers, I will be doing how I did my videos. If you haven't seen my playlist, all the playlist links and the description box, you can just check them out. Okay, and yeah, as I told you, I'm using yellow color right now. You can see in the lemonade yellow, I'm also first leaving the light layer, and then I will add dark layer also too. And yes guys, you can see that little bit of dark green color has came out. So I will just I will just manage it. It won't have a problem. So now I'm taking Gambo Jhui. So not Hui, Gambo Jhu. It's who or something like that. It is spelled. Okay, so that you have to take. And yes guys, I'm using watercolors. If you want, you can use crayons also, but painting, painting we don't use painting we don't use crayons. So I'm using watercolor only, right? Okay, so you can see I'm coloring it. I speed up the video because it was 15 minutes and something video. That will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. That's why I have edited it and made like a little bit of fast. You can see guys, I'm adding a bit of dark color. No guys, when this painting was ready, the yellow color and the Gambo Jhui color was looking same. Like it was looking like I have gave one color, but no, I have give two colors. You will see at the last, but it's nice. It's nice. In the place of Gambo Jhui, you can use orange color or dark orange also. It's not a problem. You can see guys, I'm adding the dark layer for yellow, and now it's for Gambo Jhui. Okay, so now I'm adding red color guys. It is the last color, and we are at the top. So let us do this. Let's continue. Okay guys, now with the help of thin paintbrush and dark green color, I have to draw like this grasses, and with the help of black color, I have to draw birds, and it is gonna be ready. So thanks for watching, thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These two videos, go check now. Bye.